The Rock attempts to cross the lake, not knowing the dangerous game he's about to play. Suddenly, Paper covers Rock, but just when you think Paper's gonna win this deadly game, Scissors jumps out from the water and cuts Paper into millions of pieces.
Here we see the majestic panda about to start his day. Watch as he comes out of his home to welcome the— What? Not again! We are all the animals!
Animal rights activists.
Hey, what up, though? It's your nature guy, Snoop. Roll the tape. Oh, wow. What kind of animal is that, though? Is that a leopard and a cheetah and a lynx mix? That's an albino tiger, right?
Today on the arena, weighing over 3,000 pounds, the Jaguar! And competing against him, weighing only 11 ounces, Crocs! And now they fight. Crocs wins!
This has to be the largest cow in the world. Let's see if we can take a closer look at it. Every now and then it looks at me, as it's doing right now.
Ah yes, this was the beginning of the end, the last day, when light turned to dark, and the animals were no more.
The African savanna, the jungles of Asia, the forests of North America. Our planet was once abundant with wildlife, but where are the animals now? Oh my.
Future episode. Holy shit! This is real! Did you see that? We just witnessed nature in action, people! Oh my god!
A wonderful nature show, don't you think?
By your command.
You never have anything to add to the conversation.
By your command.
Oh, shut up.
By your command.
What was that?